You're scrolling through your social media feed, a video catches your eye. It's visually stunning. The music is on point, and it makes you feel something. Chances are, you remember that brand. That's the power of video. Now, you might be thinking, I'm a coach, not a filmmaker. And guess what? You don't have to be. You just need to understand the basics. Your brand is like a person. It has a personality, a story, and a look. Video is the perfect medium to bring that to life. Remember the time you met someone and instantly click? There was just something about them. It was their energy, their style, and their vibe. Your brand is the same way. Your video should be like an extension of your personality. Are you the fun-loving, adventurous type? Or maybe you're the calm, collected strategist. Whatever it is, let your videos reflect that. Let's talk about consistency. Have you ever watched a series where the characters change outfits every episode? It's jarring, right? Your brand is the same way. Choose a visual style and stick with it. Think about your color palette, your fonts, and even the way you frame your shots. Consistency builds trust and recognition. But let's not get too rigid. Your brand is a living, breathing thing. It should evolve. Experiment with different styles and see what resonates with your audience. Maybe you start with a slick, minimalist look and then add some playful elements later. The key is stay true to your core brand values. So, there you have it. Your video identity is more than just pretty pictures. It's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. It's about telling a story in a way that's visually compelling and emotionally resonant. Remember, every video is an opportunity to make a lasting impression. So let's create something amazing together. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. Don't let your brand miss out. Start creating standout videos today.